So good morning. Are you one of those people who have now you've updated to Windows 11 and your menu's in the middle of the screen and you've been very accustomed in a Windows environment to being on the left, right, from XP on. So you're like, okay, now I got to get used to this kind of Apple feel, right, where things are in the middle. Maybe that's not what you want. Well, here's a simple fix for that. You can go down here on your taskbar, right click, and then go to taskbar settings. And right here, you want to scroll down till you see this, taskbar behaviors. Right here, you want to click, and you can see taskbar alignment, center, click there, left, boom, and she moves. So now you can see that the taskbar has moved to the left, and you're all good and you're back where you feel comfortable. So that was just a quick little snippet of how to do that. Thanks.